What's up, business buddies? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is 4 emails, meaning that you will send an email followed by 3 emails in case of no reply to a list of prospects. And these are the actions that will be applied. You can choose the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. Now you're gonna choose the list of your prospects. You can either add all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Now you're gonna select your email accounts, type your email subject and message body. Next, you're gonna choose the delay you want between the first email and the second email. Next step is for the second email. You're gonna choose your email accounts, select the email subjects and your message body. Next, you're gonna choose the delay between the second email and the third email. Next step for the third email, you're gonna choose your email accounts, type your email subjects and your message body. Next, you're gonna choose the delay you want between the third email and the fourth email. You're gonna choose your email accounts, type your email subject and your message body. And here you go, your campaign is created.